Ever wondered how to turn a massive lead list into millions? Let's break down the data-backed blueprint.
First up, let's just look at the jaw-dropping potential here. This isn't a guess, it's a realistic projection.
Yep, that's $19.4 million. It's a huge number, but it's totally achievable with the right strategy.
That breaks down to getting 200,000 new customers, all from just one really well-priced offer.
So how do we actually get to that number? Well, it all comes down to the multi-channel math.
Okay, check out the data. Each channel, email, SMS, and Instagram, converts differently. Understanding this is key.
You can see SMS has the best engagement, but the real magic happens when you blend them all together.
By combining all three, you hit a powerful 2.5% blended conversion rate. This is the engine driving everything.
And you can see how this works even on a smaller scale. The math is simple and super powerful.
Of course, these numbers rely on doing things right, being ethical, providing value, and following the rules.
Okay, we've got the math down. Now let's talk about the offer that makes it all happen.
Using a tiered structure is just smart. It gives everyone an entry point, no matter their budget. That $27 to $97 range, that's the sweet spot for an easy yes on digital products.
And don't forget pricing psychology. Things like anchor pricing and urgency can make a huge difference. You just guide customers through a simple funnel. Start with a freebie, then upsell them. It's that easy.
All right, final piece of the puzzle. Your plan to launch this thing and really scale it up.
The biggest question is always, where do you even begin? Well, the data has an answer for that.
You'll want to start with at least 250,000 leads. That's really the ideal starting point. Why that number? It gives you authority, great filtering options, and leaves plenty of room to upsell.
And finally, you gotta store this database safely. Luckily, there are some really great free options out there.
So, you've got the numbers, the offer, and the plan. The only question left is, what's your first move?